We are now going to format bar charts. In order to format a bar chart, we need to select it, and then we need to go to the format page. Here, we can format and amend a number of options, including the legend, and we can turn it on or off, and select the position, even select a different font color and font. We can also amend the colors that the chart is using, or we can even revert to default. We can also add data labels to show the actual value of each bar, and we can display this in any number of ways. We can also amend the title, turn it on or off. And lastly, if we want to format all of the visuals, what we can do is we can go into View, and then we can select a different visual from here. And this will amend all of our views in one go.